In this question, we're asked to graph -1/2 x plus y less than or equal to 4. I'm going to take advantage of the Inspire's capability to not have to get y by itself. This is an update they provided in May, which I would highly recommend you getting if you haven't updated yet. If I go into the menu and change the way that I enter the graphs from a function to a relationship, what it does is it allows me to type in equations and inequalities exactly as they are written without having to get y by itself. Now in this situation, that's not a terrible, huge savings, but anytime we can eliminate the chance of human error, in my opinion, is a good idea. The problem with using a relationship function is when I go to table or try to look at the table, it says there's no functions to display. It's because it's an inequality. This isn't a function. Every y value or every x value has millions of y values associated with it. So we used to be presented with the problem, well, how do I transfer this over to our graph paper? The Inspire does a nice job with allowing us to use the trace function in typing in x values. So for example, I could plot a coordinate at 0, 4. If I type in an x value and type in 1, I get 1, 4.5, which isn't the greatest. But if I type in 2, I get 2.5. 3 doesn't give me a nice coordinate, but an x value of 4 does. And so I can find enough coordinates, frankly only need 2, in order to find, draw that line to the boundary line. And once I have that, I can see visually that I'm going to shade below it. The other thing that we need to pay attention to is are we going to draw a solid or dotted line? And because I'm allowed to be equal to 4, our line is going to be solid.